Hello friends, welcome to our Media Tech. Now I'm going to show you Masik 13.1 MI 12 2528 beta version. This version have extra new features. Let's go the step by step features. First I open the app drawer. You can see all applications have a shadow effect. This version have a new animation style on the app drawer. Next one is AOD display. AOD display is a wonderful performing. Go to the settings and on the always on display and turn on it. Now I lock my screen, check it. AOD display working good. This animation was so nice. Time and date also showing that. Next one is dual status bar style. This versions also have a new dual status bar. Go to settings and click the display option. Scroll down. Click control and center and notification shade and click status bar style. Choose a dual status bar. I choose it. You can see the top of the mobile in left side. I have a message. It's so here. On the right side you can swipe down. You have a control center. Next one is battery indicator style. Go to settings and click display option. Scroll down, control center notification shade. Scroll down. You can see battery indicator and battery icon style. Choose the battery icon style. It's have two options, Android and miui. I choose miui. Battery indicators have a 5 types of styles. One full and another one is percentage showing. These types of styles also good. And the last one is battery indicator not showing. You can see battery indicator not showed. So the 5 types of styles are also good. Go to last one. Here you can see additional settings. The additional settings have all gestures. You can see date and time, longest input, full screen display, and also this have a game turbo, second space, floating windows, and video toolbox. All of the accessibilities and additional settings are here. So floating windows always working good. I choose a floating windows. Now I choose the notepad or files. I choose the files options. You can see the file manager in the floating window. Reboot option also good. You double tap the floating window, it will open the full screen. That's all friends. Now I'm going to show you how to install this MI 12 version. So first download the OS file and create a new folder in your file manager and place the name for folder.
Jack it up.